Microsoft Power BI is an interactive data visualization software product developed by Microsoft with a primary focus on business intelligence. It is part of the Microsoft Power Platform. Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn various sources of data into static and interactive data visualizations. Data may be input by reading directly from a database, web page, PDF, or structured files, such as spreadsheets, CSV, XML, SharePoint. Power BI itself is composed of several interrelated applications. Power BI Desktop – create interactive reports with visual analytics. Power BI Pro – collaborate on interactive reports throughout your organization. Power BI Premium – unify self-service and enterprise BI. Power BI Mobile – access business intelligence data from any device. Power BI Embedded – white label Power BI to provide customer-facing dashboards and analytics in your own apps. Power BI Report Server – on-premises solution included in Premium can be moved to the cloud. While some of these applications are free to use, paid subscriptions to the Pro and Premium versions provide greater analytics capabilities. Why should we use Power BI? Let's explore some of the key benefits it offers. Sharing capabilities. Power BI enables seamless sharing of reports and dashboards across teams and organizations. Users can collaborate in real time, providing easy access to insights and ensuring everyone stays aligned with the latest data, facilitating informed decision-making. Combine multiple sources. Power BI allows users to integrate data from various sources like databases, spreadsheets, cloud services, and more into a single cohesive view. This makes it easier to perform comprehensive data analysis, essential for strategic planning and gaining a holistic view of business operations. Powerful analytics. With robust analytical tools, Power BI empowers users to drill down into multiple layers of data, uncover hidden patterns, and track key metrics. It supports complex calculations, predictive analytics, and custom visuals, turning raw data into actionable insights. Improved communication and collaboration. By sharing interactive reports and dashboards, teams can communicate findings more effectively. This fosters a data-driven culture, encouraging collaboration and ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and engaged in the decision-making process. Interactive data and quick insights. Power BI offers intuitive and interactive visualizations that enable users to explore data in real time. With features like Q&A and AI-driven insights, users can quickly answer questions and uncover trends, accelerating the path to business intelligence. In Power BI, we have many types of visualization techniques. The most important and extensively used one of them is charts. Charts are used in every report or dashboard to display data to a user. We have built-in Power BI charts to use, but can also make combo charts or custom-made charts. Top 9 Types of Charts Visualization. Number 1. Clustered bar. Chart number 2. Clustered column. Chart number 3. Combo chart number 4. Area chart number 5. Line chart number 6. Pie chart number 7. Donut chart number 8. Funnel chart number 9. Gauge chart. When you open Power BI Desktop, you'll see an interface with several options. From there, you can either start with a blank report or choose to import data from a specific source. After selecting Blank Report, a new workspace opens where you can begin building your report. Here's how you can create a simple column chart in Power BI. A column chart is one of the most popular chart types and is widely used. To start, we need to get data from a source. In the Home tab, click on the Get Data button. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various data sources. Click on More to see a full list of available sources such as SQL Server, Oracle, LinkedIn, and websites, etc. For now, let's keep it simple by selecting an Excel file. Click Connect and locate the Excel file. for example a sales data file, from your folder. Double-click the file, and a dialog box will appear. Select the specific sheet or data you want to use. A preview of the data will show up. Then click Load to bring the data into Power BI. If the data needs cleaning or adjustments, you can click Transform Data. But for now, we'll just focus on loading the clean data to create charts.
After clicking Load, the data will begin to load into Power BI, and the time it takes will depend on the size and source of the data. Once the loading is complete, you'll notice 3 panes on the right side: Filters, Visualizations, and Data. For creating visuals, the most important pane to focus on is the Visualizations pane.
I will click on the second chart, which is the stacked column chart, and a blank version of it appeared. After that, the available options changed, showing things like Axis, Legend, Values, and Tooltip. My task now is to drag and drop fields from the data pane into the visualization pane to build the chart. I want to visualize total sales by subcategories. To do this, we put subcategories on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis. Once you add these fields, you'll see a simple column chart where all the subcategories are displayed by default, sorted in descending order of sales. Now, to make the chart look better, we might need to do some formatting, like adjusting colors, fonts, or axis sizes. To do this, go to the Visualization pane and click the Format button. There are 2 main sections for formatting. Visual, you can adjust the X and Y axes, grid lines, and more. General, you can change properties like the title, header, and background. For example, if the text on the X-axis is too small, click X-axis, then Values, and increase the font size. If you need to adjust the title's alignment, go to General, click on Title, and use the alignment options. As we want to put it in center, we choose the center alignment. You can also customize the chart's background or font colors to make the chart stand out. We can easily update the visualizations. Just click on it or go to the workspace and click anywhere. And this section will expand. So far, we've learned how to create a basic column chart and modify its appearance.